So it says here, Magda and her friend go to the cinema. They buy one large tub of popcorn. So I'm right, 1p or just p popcorn, plus 4 fizzy drinks. So I'm right, 4d. And then I'm going to add 10 packets of crisps, 10c. So all of that, it says, adds up to £10. It costs £10 and 89p. Okay, 10.89. Let me write that down here. Okay, so that's this one done. Yeah, we've used that up, and so I've written that down as an equation. And then it says Lena and her friends go to cinema. They buy one large tub of popcorn, so 1 popcorn again. 3 fizzy drinks, so plus 3 drinks, and 7 packets of crisps, so plus 7 packets of crisps, and that gives me £8 and 64p. 8.64. If I subtract these two, then p take away p is 0. The difference between them is basically when you subtract. So 4d take away 3d is going to be d, and then 10c take away 7c is going to be 3c. And as you rightfully said, 10.89 take away 8.64 is going to be £2.25, right? So that means for us that 1 drink and 3 crisps is £2.25. Is that okay? Okay, cool. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to call this, let me undo that. I'm going to call this, to a different colored pen, equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay, does that make sense? And so what I'm going to do to equation 1, right, is keep it the same. We're going to keep equation 2 the same. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply what I got for equation 3, right? Call that equation 3. So equation 3, that we've got a drink plus 3 crisps is £2.25. I'm going to multiply that by 3. And I want to show you why by 3. Okay? I'm going to multiply that by 3. If I multiply by 3, that means I'm going to multiply this, right? This is equation 3, isn't it? If I multiply by 3, what do I get? Three. Good. So 3d plus, not 3c, but 9c. 3d plus 9c is equal to £6.75. That's after multiplying equation 3 by 3. Okay, can you see what I might do next? Okay, what else can we do with that? We've got 3d here and 9c. We've got 4d here and 10c. Any ideas? Right. We can work out, if we do equation 1, take away, I'm going to call that equation 4 now. Take away equation 4, what we'll get is p take away, there's no p here, so p take away 0p, so it's going to be p. 4d take away 3d is just going to be d. And then 10c take away 9c is just going to be c. And that's going to be equal to £10.89 take away £6.75. What's £10.89 take away £6.75? £4.14. Yeah. So £4.14 is what one popcorn, 1 drink, and 1 crisp costs. And the question is, how much does 1 large tub of popcorn, 1 fizzy drink, and 1 packet of crisps cost? Right? So I didn't need to individually work out a popcorn, how much popcorn costs, or a drink, or a crisp. But sometimes with these questions, they just want you to work out, and they make it tough for you to work out individually what they are, but they make it easy for you to work out one of each, right? How much one of each costs altogether.